Hello students, this is Shubhadra Singh from Haji Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, and today we are going to discuss about the topic structure of benzene. If we talk about benzene, it is the simplest aromatic compound which is a parent molecule for various aromatic compounds and can be obtained from coal tar and petroleum. If we see the molecular formula of benzene, it is C6H6 and it is the simplest hydrocarbon as it only contains carbon and hydrogen. And the formula C6H6 is accounted by Faraday and given by Michaelis. If we focus on the molecular formula, we can see that it have a highest amount of unsaturation because when it is compared with its corresponding alkane having formula C6H14, and this C6H14 formula is derived from the general formula of alkane, which is CnH2n plus 2. Different scientists focus on this molecular formula and try to derive a structure to the benzene, and these are the three straight chain structure number 1, 2 and 3, which are given by different scientists to the benzene. Because the straight chain structures are given because at that time no any ring structure were known. So these structures can contain various double bonds regarding to the formula. So they were treated because they contain various unsaturations, so they are treated with cold KMnO4 and bromine water, because cold KMnO4 and bromine water test are the well-known test for unsaturation. So the benzene is treated with cold KMnO4 and bromine water, but no result is produced which indicates that the structure is not a straight chain structure, means it may be a cyclic structure. So other chemical evidences are also available for the cyclic structure of benzene. That is, if we treat bromine with benzene in the presence of ferric bromide, then we can got a product that is bromobenzene, which is a mono substituted product rather than the addition of bromine towards both sides of the bond. This is also a chemical evidence which can also indicate the presence of cyclic structure for the benzene. And if we react 3 moles of hydrogen with benzene in the presence of nickel, it will give a cyclohexane, which is also a cyclic compound. And all these 3 reactions, that is reactions with cold KMnO4, bromine water, reaction with bromine in the presence of ferric bromide, and reaction with 3 moles of hydrogen will give the evidences, chemical evidences, that the structure of benzene is cyclic. So scientists start trying to give cyclic structures for benzene, and these are the various structures which are produced by Dewar, Ladenburg like scientists, but these structures cannot be fulfill the properties of benzene. That's why these structures are failed. So now this formula with a cyclic structure is very difficult to determine, but a scientist named as Kekulé can propose a model structure, a new structure for new ring cyclic structure for benzene. This is the structure number 4. He proposed this structure depending upon his dream that the 6 carbon in the structure are arranged in a cyclic hexagonal form, and each carbon is attached with a hydrogen, and there is a conjugated system of double bond is present in the structure. This is the structure proposed by Kekulé. This is the structure number 4, and these structures account for the tetravalency of the carbon, as well as explain the property that why only 3 moles of hydrogen or 3 moles of halogens can attach to the bromine, and also account for the equivalent property of all the hydrogens present over benzene. It accounts for all these properties, but there are also some objections. What are the objections? That if the structure of Kekulé is correct, then 2 ortho products for benzene will obtained if benzene is treated with 2 molecules of bromine in the presence of ferric bromide. Then product A and product B, that is 2 orthoproducts in which bromine is substituted at 1 and 2 position and 1 and 6 positions are obtained. But this is not correct. In experimental cases, when we treat bromine with 2 molecules when we treat benzene with 2 molecules of bromine, we get only one ortho product. So Kekulé tried to modulate this structure and he gave a structure, give 2 structure, that is a structure A and a structure B, which are dynamic structures of benzene and they are interconvertible. Means if we can number this ring, then we can say that the first double bond is present between 1 and 2 position, 3 and 4th position have second double bond, and 5th and 6th position have third double bond. And the next another structure can contain double bond between 2nd and 3rd position, 4th and 5th position, and 6th to 1st position. And Kekulé says that both of these structures are interconvertible. So this is the dynamic structure of benzene, which can resemble 80% to the real structure of the benzene. All the structures which are given are the imaginary structure, yet the real structure of benzene cannot be established, because this dynamic structure can also not be helpful to determine the unusual stability of benzene, because unusual stability of benzene can be described by evidences like heat of hydrogenation, heat of combustion, and bond length. If we talk about the heat of hydrogenation, we can say that carbon-carbon double bond having heat of hydrogenation of 121 kilojoule per mole. So benzene, if we can say that for benzene, because benzene have 3 double bonds, then we can multiply 3 with 121, that is we got 363 kilojoule per mole of energy heat of hydrogenation. But on experimentation, we got experimental value of 212 kilojoule per mole. That is when we see the difference, that is 363 minus 212, that is we have 151 kilojoule per mole. We got the difference, that is we know that the lower is the energy, the higher is the stability. So benzene experimental value is lower than the calculated value, so the benzene is more stable than the cyclohexatriene. If we see the heat of combustion, the calculated value for cyclohexatriene is 3451.8 kilojoule per mole, but the experiment value obtained for benzene is 3,301.3 kilojoule per mole, which is also lesser than the calculated value of the cyclotriene and can also show the more stability of benzene. If we can talk about bond length, the carbon-carbon bond length is 134 pm, carbon-carbon double bond length is 134 pm, carbon-carbon single bond length is 154 pm, and when we see the bond length of benzene by X-ray diffraction method, this is a method in which we can use X-ray for the determination of the structure. This is an analytical method, and X-ray diffraction, by using this X-ray diffraction method, we can see that the bond length in benzene is 139 pm, which is equal for all the bonds in the benzene. So this equivalence can give the more stability of the benzene. Means these are all the evidences, these are the chemical evidences for the cyclic structure of benzene, these are the evidences for the stability, unique stability of the benzene. These are the imaginary structures which are given by different scientists, in which Kekulé structure is having more resemblance to the benzene, but yet not the real structure of benzene is proposed. The real structure of benzene is proposed by the theory of resonance and the theory of molecular orbital theory, and both of these theory, that is the model theory, we can discuss in the next class. Thank you.